Hi guys, how was the trading week? I hope it was good to you. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're doing a weekly recap, that is the trades that I took from Monday till today, Friday, and trades I was unable to get into as well that were valid on GBPUSD and on EURUSD. So let's get to it. So at this zone right here was Monday. Yes, so let me just replay the chart back to Monday. Okay, so this week we really had price action was not so good this week. I did not like price action. Market did not exactly move the way I expected it to move, but all the same, we don't get to dictate what the market should do or we do. Okay, so now starting from, okay, we are on the 30 minutes time frame, but let me move to the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so starting this week on Monday, I came on the chart, and from last week I knew this level of demand was resting right here on GBPUSD. Okay, so on citing this level with imbalance as well, this is an unmitigated demand level right here. And not just that, markets left these multiple Asian range lows in the market. Okay, and if we go on the higher time frame on GBPUSD, we will also realize that there is this higher time frame supply that is resting above here with massive imbalance right there. Okay, so and looking at the overall structure of GBPUSD, you see that market is quite bullish on this particular time frame. You can see that when markets pushed up from here, we broke above these zones right there, took out these ones as well. Market pushed up, came all the way down to mitigate this demand level right here, and from here again you can see that we've been having multiple push up to the upside. Okay, so overall for this week I was actually looking for buys on GBPUSD. My focus was on buys for GBPUSD this week, because of this higher time frame supply that we have up here. Okay, so of course we can actually get into some sell trades, but we should note that these sell trades are just retracement for correction for price to continue pushing up. So you can imagine from this zone right here, after market pushed up, market retraced back down to fill up this demand level. This sell wasn't exactly like the overall direction for the market. Okay, so you want to be careful while taking sales. Okay, you want to be strategic with your sales so that you don't get caught up in the sales. Okay, you can see after market came down, pushed up again, at this particular time we are having a retracement of the market for correction. Market came, tap into this zone, we pushed up again, market retraced back like that. So this week I was actually looking for buys at this level of demand right here. My focus was on buys from right there. So but for us to buy, definitely market will push back down into this zone. Okay, as much as I did not really want to take a sell trade, I still decided if I have a clear market structure, I might actually get into the sell trade. So now coming to the chart now during London session, now let me move to a lower time frame now. So coming to the chart, you can see that from last week market was trading from this level of supply that we have right there. Okay, market traded, and we also left this supply zone right here. Now this supply zone that we have right here, it took out internal lows, right? This supply zone right here is not really what I'll classify as a strong supply zone. It's more or less like a supply zone from the lower time frame. It's not as strong as this level of demand that we have and as this level of supply that we have right here. Okay, and not so And another thing to note is that at this level right here, we have massive imbalance before this supply level right here. So I was wary of selling from this particular supply zone. Okay, but so on Monday I decided not to actually trade GBPUSD for a sell trade actually, because I was not comfortable with this internal, or what we call a mini supply zone from the lower time frame. But market actually did present an opportunity for sales. Okay, so if we should break this market down right here, you see that when the market created this low right here at this particular point, market pushed further, giving us this last high inside this mini supply zone. Market broke below it, and you can see market came back up into this level right here to mitigate this supply zone. And actually I think some people actually took sales from right there. And when price was pushing up at this level right here, you can see that market created a level of liquidity right here, so targeting these zones and selling back down into this level of demand where I want to buy from is actually a good trade. Though I was eyeing it to take, but I decided not to. Rather, on the euro dollar, the euro dollar actually created a good supply zone for me to actually sell from, so I took a sell on euro dollar. We'll go over that one later on. So as you can see on this particular day, markets came into that zone and market started pushing down. So I think the whole of Monday I did not take a trade on GU, so I was just watching price. And let me see, coming now to Tuesday, you can see right there market was pushing down. Okay, so coming to Tuesday now, during the Asian session we had the Asian range high right there, and we started the London session, as you can see right there. So when London session started, market pushed back into this supply level right here, filling up this imbalance from Monday. And looking at this, I was then looking, okay, since I was in a sell on the euro dollar, I could actually take a sell too on this GU as well. And as you can see, the Asian range low was created from that Monday, and yet again the lows that pushed price into this last high right here was taken out, and market came back to fill up this supply level right here. Okay, so let me see at what point did I get in. Okay, so at this particular point, I think, let me see, I think I went down to the 1 minute time frame. Okay, it was at this point I decided to get into a sell trade on GU right here. My stop loss was at that high, and my take profit was for this level of demand that we have marked from the higher time frame, because I was expecting price to push down into that zone. So I was in this trade, was in profit. Then later on, I think market came all the way up. So at this particular point, after we've taken out these lows and this low as well, I moved my stop loss from above there to this level right here. Okay, I reduced my stop loss, and I think market came all the way back up. Let me go to a higher time frame. Market came all the way back up right there and took me out of the trade, and it kept on going my way. Let me see. Okay, so just right there, Okay, okay, okay. I think I got into the trade at this level right here. At this level, this was when I got into the trade, and I reduced my stop loss back to this high. My stop loss was now at this high right here. Since we now took out multiple lows, I was like, the market doesn't have a reason to come back all the way up to this level again, because this zone now is now responsible for all these massive breaks in structure. And if price was to come back up, I think price was only coming to trade from this level of supply. But as you can see, I was being stopped out of the trade. So I was a little bit mad at myself, because from Monday, I decided I was not going to trade a sell on GBPUSD, because I was not comfortable with this level of selling. And another thing I was looking at, this zone was giving me a strong liquidity zone that price could actually clear up before probably pushing down. So at this point, I was really skeptical about selling. And just as you can see, sometimes you need to follow your intuitions and just stay off some trades. So I was stopped out. But one good thing is that I did not actually risk the normal amount I would risk per trade on this particular trade. It was lesser than my normal risk. Why was that? Because this was a B setup for me. It wasn't an A setup. So I did not risk um, the normal percentage risk I always go. And as you can see, the trade went all the way down, and take profit was it. You can see how I missed out on a sweet trade. It was kind of painful, a little bit painful. So I missed out on this trade, and that was it for the um GBPUSD sell. Well, since my focus was on buys on GU from this level of demand, I wasn't so bothered about the loss at this side. So all I did was, now we are trading from a supply zone. From the midpoint of this zone, if you should take the midpoint of this demand zone, you have about 14 pips, which was good for an aggressive entry. Now the market has created a level of liquidity when it was selling right here, and also we have this Asian range high that is sitting right here. So I actually did wait for a confirmation entry right here, and we got that confirmation entry. As you can see, when market created this last low inside this level of demand, market took out this lower high right there, and market came back beautifully to fill up this imbalance and this demand zone right here, and I was able to take a buy trade, and market executed a buy trade. I think my entry was on the 15 minutes time frame. I had an higher entry. Okay, let me check the 20 minutes. I actually took the midpoint of the imbalance to get into my trade. Let me see. Okay, yeah, so my entry was from this 25 minutes time frame. So I use the midpoint of this to get into my trade, because as we all know, there are times markets will not push exactly down into this zone, and my stop loss was right there, and I was aiming for this Asian range high to be taken out. And I said if I was going to wait as well, we actually love to see this whole liquidity resting above right here to be totally taken out, because I'm bullish on this pair. I'm expecting price to push here, but I was not going to hold my trade to this level because I'm not a swing trader. So I was looking at this Asian range high for the meantime, and market played beautifully well. I was in the trade, market came, yeah, you can see. So on, I think on Wednesday, market got to this level. I actually ate my trade overnight. Market came back again for retracement. So now as you can see that when we pushed up above this level, we had another break of structure. I'm marking the swing low to the swing high of this market. I was expecting price to pull back down into this level right here. I was expecting price to come back into this level, but as you can see, there is really, on this time frame now, this level of demand right here, I think on the 10 minutes time frame was there. Let me quickly go to the 10 minutes time frame. Yeah, so on this 10 minutes time frame, we can see this level of demand right here. I think the 5 minutes actually was more clear. Yes, so we can see little imbalance right there and this level of demand. So I was now looking at this level of demand, though I know price will trade back down, but I held onto my trade from the previous day from this area right here. So this should just be a correction back for more pull to the upside, and market did that as well. So we're in the Asian session now, still sleeping at this time. So market came the next day, we pushed up a little bit, and as you can see, market came back into this zone. So right there, market came back to this zone, and I think I added a new position at this level as well, so I can actually reach some more profit margin on my account. So I took that buy from this imbalance right there, and my stop loss was at this low. But at some point when the market was pushing further, I decided to extend my stop loss to this level. So at this level, I kind of exposed my account to more risk, which is not so good, because you should always have a calculated amount of risk you should use per trade. But I actually did that, and this is me being transparent. We don't actually at sometimes while trading, there are some of your rules that you may bend, which is actually not good. We should always stick to our rules and be focused. Okay, so on Thursday, my I had my alert set at this level, taking so that market can take out this level of this last high that we have right here. But overall, I was expecting price to push above the Asian range high. I was expecting to take my total profit at this level. So at this particular point, when markets took out this high, my alert went off, and I took a lot of my profits out of the market, left the remaining running, and I left my phone. And when I came back, I saw the market came all the way down and my remaining trade was stopped out. But I was glad that I had my alert set at this point, and I took out most of my profits at this level. One major reason why I took out some profit at this level is because we are already trading at almost 4 p.m. around this time, and my trading hours is between 8 a.m. London session to 4 p.m. when markets will close. So anything for 4:30, I'm already tired and want to stop trading. So that was why I took out a lot of my profit at this point. I just left the remaining one for it to go, and as you can see, market just came back all the way down. I did not move the remaining position into break even. That was one big mistake I did. I should have, sorry about that, I should have moved my distance to break even, because I just still expected more push actually. And we also had a news release actually that actually assisted pushing price up. But if we should go to the 4 hours time frame, let me quickly clear my chart now. If we should go to the 4 hours time frame, you can see why the market actually sold. There's this level of supply from this higher time frame that markets actually bought into. The buys we took at this level traded price into this supply zone, and from there we had that massive sell. I think someone in my Telegram channel was able to get a sell, but on the euro dollar actually. So that 4 hours level of supply was not clear on these lower time frames. Okay, it wasn't, and market just went all the way down, flushing out price, and I was already out of the trade. Today being Friday, 1st of March, I was not trading. I don't trade every day, so I wasn't trading. I don't know, mentally I already zoned out for this week yesterday after taking this nice buy on GBPUSD. So today I just went about own my own thing, went to the spa to get my hair fixed. So at this particular level today, when I came to the chart this evening to try to do a recap for this week, I saw what price did. Market took out the Asian range high, tapped into this level of demand, and I was grateful I was not on the chart to trade today. I don't know, for some reason there are some days I just don't like to trade, and as you can see, market was still actually trading from this level of demand before, right here, and I know a lot of people would have taken buys from this zone today to sell up into this level of imbalance and supply as well. But it's a pity market never traded into that zone before market dropped. So just, I think just I don't know how to put it now, just try, don't trade every day, especially when you don't have a clear bias or clear analysis of what the market is doing. And as you can see, I really don't know what market traded from this level right here. I really don't know, because this level of demand has been mitigated before, but as you can see, price came inside this week. Once again, let me just see from some time frame if we can see why. I don't know, price, I just think price just decided to retap this level of demand, and from there you can see right now market is pushing up again. For me, I am bullish on GU, and seriously I do not want to take sales. Okay, so now this is Friday today, this is where price is at. So I'm still actually bullish on GU. I'm still expecting these highs to be cleared out, and I'm expecting price to push above into the supply zone that we have right there. But if I was trading these buys for today, if you are in these buys, you should probably look to take your profit at this level and just wait till next week. Okay, so that is it on GBPUSD. Let's go to euro dollar. Euro dollar was good to me this week. I'm so happy about that. I was able to cash this massive sell. So this is Monday. So if you could recollect, I have a video on euro dollar where I said I missed out on this particular level of supply last week. Okay, because last week when market tapped into this, let me quickly go to the 4 hours. Okay, so last week when market tapped into this level of supply on euro dollar, I was waiting for a confirmation entry. Yes, so when market tapped into this zone, I did not take an aggressive entry, so I was then waiting for a confirmation entry. If you've seen that video, I said this level was a liquidity level. Then we have little imbalance right here, and we indeed broke structure. If we should go to the lower time frame, but I don't want to go into that. So last week I was expecting price to come down right here, come back up. I should be in the trade and trade sells on EU, but market left out my zone, and this week market came back beautifully into this level of supply. As you can see on this day, okay, this was on Monday, I actually got into my first sell around this high. Once this Once my alert was triggered, because I had my alert set above this side, once it was triggered, I market executed a sell trade for an aggressive entry on Monday. My stop loss right there, and my main target was forced for this day for intraday trade, which was about 3 RR. Remember, I always love to target Asian range for my take profit. And I said later on during the week, if market will create more opportunities for retracement and new entry, this zone will be my final zone to trade EU into, because we have this massive imbalance right there. And as you can see, so this trade was on from Monday. I did not close the trade, it was there. So on Tuesday now, market now traded properly into this supply level. The Asian range high was taken, and we are now left with the Asian range low. So going to a lower time frame now, EU actually presented more opportunity for sell. So as you can see, this low took price into this supply zone. When this was broken, this level of demand with imbalance right here is the next zone to take your sell trade from. So from the midpoint of this to this zone. And for me, I did not take an entry again, because I was already taking my total percentage risk from this first trade. But I'm just breaking this down for you. If you were trading on this particular day, how you should have gotten into your sell trade. So your stop loss at this level, and if you feel probably this is so tight for you, you can extend your stop loss into this supply zone, which is still about 13 pips, in order to protect your account the more. And as you can see, let me quickly play price forward. You can see market came beautifully into this zone, tapped into that 5 minutes entry that we have right there. Let me go back for you to see. You can see this imbalance was filled up. Market broke another structure right here, and yet again market retraced back into this supply zone again. Right there, market traded back into that supply zone, and from there market just went all the way down. And I left my trade running from this day, and I took out my profit just as I wanted at this Asian range. Once price took out this Asian range, I took my profits on this euro dollar. I think market came back again, and I think now this was the sell one of my channel member took, was from this zone right here to take price down. So you can see following demand supply, waiting for confirmation entries. You can see right there market traded into this supply zone, and it was a flush down to this zone. So today, I think today I did not check the chart at all for today. And for EU, actually EU is giving overall. Why I did not take a buy on EU as opposed to GU when I was buying from that level of demand was because of this level of imbalance that we still have right there. So to be buying EU, actually I wasn't interested, unlike GU that was so interested in buying as opposed to selling. Why on this EU from Monday I was interested in selling, but GU I was interested in buying from Thursday, okay, from Wednesday I think. So that's it for this week. Right now EU is trading at this level right here. We've created liquidity, like some sort of support right here. And remember, we still have, let me quickly go to a higher time frame. So now we still have this imbalance and level of demand right here, okay. So for EU, I don't like our prices and I'm not interested in taking any trade. So try to be disciplined. You don't have to take trade on every pair at every point in time. Just go for the one that has the clearest price action. So if I'm to do anything on EU, the only thing I want to see is if price can come into this zone and I can possibly look for a confirmation entry for a buy trade, then I can buy from this zone. But right now I am not interested in any trade on EU. As you can see, actually EU is now trading inside this supply level. Maybe come Monday, maybe there will be a sell trade from this. I don't know. I'll wait till market will open. The Asian session should take over first, then I know what to do. So that is it, guys, for the trade recap for this week. I hope this week was I hope it was a profitable week for you. Or was it a losing week, or was it a break-even week? Let me know in the comment section. So that will be all for it, guys, and I want to use this medium to wish you a profitable month this month of March in the foreign exchange market. That is it for this video. Until next time.